Only 1 in 10 people can pass this science and nature quiz. Are you one of them? Question 1. Which of these is a type of stretch deep tendon reflex? The answer is ankle jerk reflex. Question 2. What is the molecular formula of the active component of chili peppers, capsaicin? The answer is C18H27 number 3. Question 3. Approximately what percentage of Earth's atmosphere is oxygen? The answer is 21%. Question 4. Deionized water is water with which of the following removed? The answer is iron. Question 5. What medication was once commonly used as rat poison? The answer is Coumadin. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Follow us for more quiz challenges and fun facts.